All right, here's the scoop. We went on a little bit of a camping trip. It's me, Jack, and both our moms. It's kind of a tradition. This is like the 3rd year that we've done this. So we didn't know it the first time, but the campsite is like a remote campsite, so you have to take everything from the car and like travel like half a mile to get to the campsite. So we come prepared with trailers, and I carry stuff on my bike. Anyway, this car is hot as fuck, and I need to get out of here and start packing, or else mom's gonna yell at me. Okay, hold on. The tarp setting up. Oh my god, check it out, dude. Look at how clean this is. This is spotless. You could eat dinner off of that. No, we do have a hatchet.
They're using that hatchet.
Rock on. Go and check out the lake. And we actually have a beach this time. Last year, we didn't have a beach because the water was so high. But this year, we do have a beach.
It's probably chilly though.
Yeah, low-key, it looks cold as hell.
It's sunny and warm in the past.
So, I say, we just go.
Jack's
trying to look up how to unclog his ears, so.
12. Yawn or chew.
Is it working? Maybe try jumping up and down again.
And the trickle earlobe.
So we just took a dip, if you couldn't tell. Alright, lake review number 1. It was actually pretty warm, I'm not gonna lie. We went like out far, and then we went back in, and then we ate food. It was really nice. The sand is mushy as fuck.
Oh, that made it so much worse.
He's still trying to unclog his ear. Oh, whoa, for free? All right, yo, Jack, taking a swing at the tree. We're supposed to be gathering dead stuff because we're gonna have a fire down here on the beach tonight.
gathering dead stuff.
Well, you're just hacking a tree. A dead tree.
You want the dead stuff or not, Nick?
Originally, we weren't gonna have a fire because we were like, oh, it's gonna be 70 degrees, it's gonna be hot. But now we're like, it's kind of chilly and the bugs are kind of getting us, so we're gonna have a fire. Dude, let me get 60 frames per second on that. Dude, we can make like an action movie now. My cinematography is goated right now. Wait, wiggle your toes. Jack low-key kills it with a hatchet, I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to get fucking sprayed with wood chips in my cabin out. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh wow.
Well, there goes that. Ow, dude. Did that even break anything?
I don't even think so. Voila.
Look at the sticks in the wall.
That's all us, guys. We did that. Okay, breaking news. I have to poop, and like I'm gonna go poop. I'm gonna film the outhouse experience. This is terrible. This is terrifying. In these little campgrounds, everybody gets an outhouse, and it's just this little brown box at the edge of the campsite. And I think I just undid one of the stakes in our tent. Anyway, so absolutely haunting. Bruh. Oh, that's a moth. Oh shit. Using my phone right now as a flashlight. I have sat down, terrified of what is beneath me. I'm sorry, this is so weird. Skip to this timestamp if you don't want to watch me poop. Okay, I'm gonna cut out me actually pooping though, that's weird. Dude, okay, the toilet paper, I'm not really rocking with it, I gotta be honest. Oh, there's a bug on my foot. Oh shit. The most uncomfortable I've ever been in my entire life. Wait a second. Which one do I use? I mean, the great thing about outhouses like this is that you don't have to worry about clogging the toilet. So it's okay if you poop a lot. I hope I don't put this in the video. I just think it's just so convenient. I'm not wiping my butt on camera. I didn't clog the outhouse. And if I gotta be honest, the experience, 7 out of 10. It wasn't that bad. It was all right. The bugs weren't awful.
You're telling me out of all possible bathroom experiences, that was a 7 out of 10.
Okay, first of all, it's not like a public bathroom. Public bathrooms, like in public places, they're made clean and they just get trashed. An outhouse, no way that was made clean.
That's
It
true.
was made to get trashed.
It's true.
It's, you know what I'm saying? It's just, it's natural.
When you first look at a house, you're like, oh my god, I'm not gonna use that, like spiders, moths, ew. But then when the time comes, bro, you are like so glad it's there.
You got no right. Bro, the lake is mad pretty, dude. This is so cool. Hey, dude, look at how smooth the water is. I wish you could just like touch water and feel how smooth it was. Okay.
Are you high?
No, I like camping. Going for a bit of a morning swim. Thought we would be doing this a little more towards the morning, but I guess not. Our cooler is just filled with melted ice.
Half a gallon makes sense, but a quart?
That's tiny.
I don't know.
So small.
Look, it's already like halfway gone.
Okay, we're going on a bike ride.
We're going on a bike ride. I know, pretty cool. We're going like 10 miles into town. I think we're gonna get ice cream, head back, thumbs up. This is basically rehearsal, dress rehearsal for Cape Cod.
I don't really care what we do, frankly. All It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be on the way back. Honestly, the way there was kind of harder. Like, that was a little bit worse. All right, now that I'm back to using my camera, it is hot as balls out here. Jack went pee behind the tent because apparently there was a spider in the outhouse.
Oh, okay. It was like literally this big.
Okay, where?
You want to see it?
I want to see it.
I think that one.
That guy? That is the one. There's no other ones in there. Doggy's not gonna fall on you.
If I have to poop, I will.
What's happening?
I'm going to use the outhouse, man. And if anything tries to fucking come near me.
I want a rating out of 10 when you get back.
Okay, my rating as an outhouse is probably 7.
That's what I gave it.
Yeah.
It's not
Nothing to
awful.
write home about, but.
Well, I mean, yeah, no one's ever gonna be like, oh, dude, we went camping and the outhouse was like, dude, it was incredible. It's so wiggly. It's like liquid. You could drink this right now. Right there, can you not see it? Guys, watch out. There's pasta salad. I'm about to go feral.
I don't want you to get sick of my temper.
I think I'll be okay. I like to smudge it around. Oh my god, Jack is so nice. I didn't even ask him to do that. Yeah, that's good. Got a hearty dinner.
What was up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog.
Bro, I still got like that nap hair. I don't see a problem, Mom. I think I look. I'm just gonna leave this in the video.
Okay, Nick, I found our marshmallow sticks.
Oh, fuck. Why are the waves so wavy? Saying you're not sure about this night swim?
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Look, alright. Worst case scenario, we get really cold when we get out of the water and we have to put a sweatshirt on.
Ooh, that's actually best case scenario in my opinion.
Exactly. So, night swim? Night swim?
Right now?
Well, it's not really night, yeah.
Okay. And then what?
Abs out.
I just wanna be so high, really, I don't wanna ever come down. Laying in the shades of green, stuck on a cloud, will I ever get around? Too much on my mind, little time can't deny. I'm in need of a day. Are we even really here to stay? It shouldn't be so hard to feel okay. Still.
Jack. Can we swim? The water's all sunny.
Let's do it.
Bingo. Alright. That breakfast was smacking, man.
That breakfast slide.
That breakfast, it was.
If you come any closer to me, I will pick you up and throw you off of this table.
He's massive, dude.
Ooh, we were fast enough. Boy, not fast enough.
We did go swimming, but my SD card was full, so nothing was filmed, pretty much. It's kind of funny, actually. I just deleted like 400 videos, so we should be okay for the rest of the trip. Ugh. Yo, check out the tent, bro. It's weird being empty in here. Yo, there's a penny on the ground. Yo, let's go. Dude, it's my YouTube salary. Hey, Jack. It all happened so fast. So we packed up, obviously, and now, I don't know, we're spending the rest of the day eating food and swimming, I guess. The lake is honestly great, you know, it's just good temperature, everything about it is, it's amazing, it's comfortable, everything. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video here. Subscribe or not, I don't care. Bye.